federal government has commenced the second phase administration of the COVID-19 vaccination program. Secretary to the government of the Federation, Boss Mustapha, performed the inauguration ceremony at the Federal Medical Center, FMC, Jabi Abuja. He said the over 4 million doses of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine donated by the government of the United States and the 177,600 of Johnson & Johnson vaccines out of the 29,850,000 doses purchased by the federal government through the African Import-Export Bank and the African Union will be administered in the second phase.
I want to assure you that the federal government is committed to ensuring that Nigerians have unfettered access to COVID-19 vaccines as the country will continue to invest in and access safe and effective vaccines. It is now the responsibility of every citizen to register and get vaccinated so that we can achieve our desired herd immunity of vaccinating at least 70% of our eligible population.
In his remarks, Health Minister Dr. Osagie Ehanire said 40 million doses of the J&J vaccines will be deployed in hard-to-reach areas.
This vaccination is extremely important for everybody to take seriously. It has been tested and the MPHCDA has prepared very well to deliver it. As has been said, some vaccines are reserved for hard-to-reach areas, security-compromised areas, and also itinerant workers and nomadic people who will not get a second chance for a second vaccine.
This is because they are the people who may find it difficult to leave their homes to the health facility for the second dose vaccination. We will also be receiving today 698,880 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, a donation from the UK government through the COVAX facility. These doses will be targeted at those that are due for their second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine. In the next couple of weeks, we'll be expecting up to 3.9 million additional doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine to complement what we already have and to ensure that we cover not only those who will be taking their second doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, but for those who would prefer to take their first doses as well.
So as we celebrate the acquisition of these vaccines today and begin the second phase of distribution, I'd like to acknowledge all the healthcare workers across our country that have been working so hard in this response and will continue working hard, and ask Nigerians please to keep supporting them as they deliver on these vaccines.
Similarly, the WHO Country Director, Walter Molumbo, commended steps taken by the government to provide storage facilities for the vaccines.
We partners, we are indeed very happy with the federal government of Nigeria huge investment in procurement and installation of ultra-cold chain equipment at the National Strategic Store and the State Cold Store. This is a good sign of a committed government leadership at national and state level to have its citizens vaccinated against COVID-19.
Over 3 million persons have so far been captured in the nation's COVID-19 vaccination program. Osagie Ehanire, CNN News.